sine x, make sure you close that, divided by x. I'm going to zoom 7. Now, it is similar to sine, correct? It actually looks a little more like a cosine, to be honest, but it's a sine. But what do you notice as we keep going on and on? It's hard to see with the calculator. You could zoom in and change your y, but what happens is it's still cycling above. It's just getting less and less and less and less as you go. So it's still going up and down. It's still oscillating. There's that word, okay, that we need to know. Still oscillating above and below. Okay, but I don't really care what's going on in the future. I only care about what's going on here at 0. Yeah. Oh, that's right. You're not here today. You didn't tell me. Oh, yeah. Oh, make sure you stop in afterwards, because I will have a paper for you. You're missing a review game. Study. And chapter review on your assignment sheet. Okay, here we go. So as I close it, now you have to look at both sides. So you have to look coming from the left and the right. So as I get closer and closer to 0, so as I'm coming that way, closer and closer to 0, where's my function going? 1. To 1. You're looking at the y. The limit is always the y value. So I can conclude the limit is 1. Now, my question to you is, do I ever actually get to 1? No, why not?
There's a hole.
There's a hole there. Does everybody read that? Remember the bottom equals 0 as 0? Plugging it up top, there's a hole. So I never actually get there, but I'm saying the limit is virtually close enough. So with my calculator, I can look at the graph, which sometimes that doesn't really help me. So if I go to my table, now you guys may need to change your table settings in this class. You will need to, I should say. So you go second window, which is your table settings. Doesn't really matter where you start or step size. We don't use that. You're going to change yours to independent to ask. Auto means it actually fills it in for you, the calculator does, but ask means you fill it in. Always keep the dependent on auto. Now go to your table. Should be clear. You might have some values in there. Depends. Now I want to get closer and closer to 0 from both sides. So I'm going to start off at 0.1 and enter. Now, to get closer, I have to go to 0.01, hit enter. Even closer, 0.001, hit enter. Now, it's going to fill in 1. Now, is that really true? No, your calculator's not perfect. It won't think for you. Now, but be careful, I have to go from both ways. So I need to go negative 0.1. Negative 0.01. Where I'm at. And then negative 0.001. I think three values from each way. Notice that I look at this one, it's getting closer and closer to 1 from that direction, getting closer and closer to 1 from that direction. But if I actually type in 0, error. It can't actually get there, but we're close enough. That makes sense?